Well, you want reality? This is reality. Got some stuff going on here. Maybe it's a little too much reality for everybody.
I'll be right back.
All right, you guys, so 12 hours, 100 errands, and a gray shirt later, we're finally finishing this video. Well, it's not really finishing because we haven't even started yet. So now it's late in the evening already, but I'm still gonna get this video out for you because we are persevering, okay? All right. Today's video is all about a certain little lady. I don't know about saying little lady, maybe I should take that back. A certain famous lady, okay? We got in this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, okay? Yeah, I had to read it on the monitor because I forgot what the hell it was. And this is supposed to be for priming and setting. From what I understand, it does everything to party all night and to stay all day. That's what she says. Are we doing much partying right now? No, we're not. We're gonna party in this room right here with these lights because I feel like a disco already. This is primes and sets for up to 16 hours. Yay. Do we have 16 hours left in the day? No, we don't. We have like 5. Instantly lock in your look for makeup magic that looks just applied. Awesome. No melting, no fading, no creasing. That all sounds lovely. Hold 6 to 8 inches away and mist over entire face before and after applying makeup. So as I mentioned a little while ago, it's going to be a primer and a setter. Anything else on here, it's all in a different language. You don't even know that. Why do I even say it? Wasting film time. Whatever. Miss Charlotte Tilbury is very expensive, okay? She's very expensive, and the only thing I've ever had from Charlotte Tilbury is that lip liner that I literally just bought last month because it was my birthday. It's this lip cheat right here in the Pillow Talk, and yes, I still kept the box. I don't know why, so don't ask me. Let's remember, this is an honest channel. I ain't gonna lie. So if this sucker don't work, then she don't work. I'm about to tell you. But we're gonna put her on. So my face is freshly cleansed and it is moisturized. It's a very nice plasticky bottle. It looks like it's glass. It's kind of like a frosted plastic. But you know what? I'm kind of okay if it's not glass. I don't care. It's a heavy duty, thick sucker. Okay. Again, on here it just says party all night, stay all day. That's all it says. So they want you to party and not go home. We're gonna give her a harsh and brutal review. Okay. I don't care who you are. I don't care if you're the king, okay, or the queen, because I don't care. I'm just 6 to 8 inches. And do I need a ruler? Because sometimes I can't gauge what 6 to 8 inches are. I go like 2 feet away. If you saw some of the stuff that would happen to me, you'd know why I do that. So first impression, it smells floral. I'm not a floral girl. I'm not. If you guys watch me, you know this. I like sweet scents, but it's not an insane floral. If you've tried the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day, that rose setting mist, if you guys have ever seen me review that, you should stop what you're doing and go check that video out, because that Gerard Cosmetics rose spray, girl, no. This right here is more of a light floral. It's like, you know, if you're just smelling some floral flowers. I hope that cleared that up for you. So like in this area right here, it feels maybe like a tightening feel. Maybe tightening is not the word. It feels like tightening feel. I swear to God, I just said that. Feels kind of like if it's trying to lift your face or something. I don't mind. If it's trying to give me a free facelift, go ahead. Take these guys away. I am all for it, okay? So it's not tacky right now. Well, no, I'm a liar. Right here, it feels kind of a little tacky. If you take a little look, you kind of see some shimmer there, a little bit of some glowing from within, a little bit of, how many times am I gonna say a little bit? How many times am I gonna say a little bit? So we're gonna put on top is this Pure right here. I did use this in another video. I'm not sure if that video's up yet or not. I'm trying to get my fingerprints off. That's what I do when I'm doing this, okay? So that's what I'm doing. Cleaning the product for you to be presentable. I did do a little review on this Pure right here, this 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation. It's a concealer foundation. Get that right. When I do have some more funds, I'm going to purchase this actual foundation. I think it's like $36. I feel it's worth it. I really do. So coming from me, that means something. It is a skin-like finish, and I actually do see it looking like, you know, a skin-like finish because it doesn't cancel out all your face, you know. And I'm not all about that. Sometimes I do want a full coverage, but it's very few and far between. The fuller the coverage, the thicker the product, and the more it settles into my lines. No likey, that's not my latte. It's not very creamy, it's not very dewy, it's just okay in my book so far. Now, take a look at it yourself, you guys. It actually looks pretty good to me. Don't go run out and buy it right now, because I'm not saying to do that. I need to actually test it out a lot longer. I don't feel like I need to set anything. I don't feel like I need to set under here. It kind of dries down to almost a powder finish. Let's go finish this sucker up and come right back to you, okay? Okay, 15 hours later, we are done with the face. I went ahead and put a little bit of that Charlotte Tilbury lip cheat on my lip. Did a little dab of highlighter up here just to kind of give a little dimension there. And I'm not going to do a crazy eyeshadow look, you guys, because I'm going to try a red lipstick. Yes, you might be wondering, then why'd you put on Charlotte Tilbury? Because I wanted to. That's why. So we're going to try out this Yves Saint Laurent right here, which I've never had anything by them because they are so freaking costly. Oh my god. It's actually, look, it's like a little, actual little, you know, baby dip it in. It's not like a little paper thing that you kind of just rub your finger on and get on there. So I've been dying to try this out. We have one more thing to try out, you guys. We've got this BK Beauty right here, and this is just one simple little brush. I don't have anything from BK Beauty, and I wanted to support this brand because it's Lisa J. She's actually located here in Texas, which is like an hour and a half from me where I live. I don't know her personally, but I do watch her channel. She stands for everything that I believe in: kindness, generosity, giving back to others. So I really wanted to support her brand. When you open it right here, they actually put like a little note in there, and I do think that's so cute, you guys. It's very personalized, and they do have the brush wrapped right here in tissue paper. It's like double wrapped in there. It's like it's tucked away for, like, you know, safekeeping. I actually enjoy this deep mahogany kind of burgundy color. Really nice. This is what it looks like right here. So we're going to try this guy out with some of that Manny Mua that we got in our BoxyCharm. I'm just going to get my brand new little brush and just kind of dab it in there a little bit. Get enough on there. Tap it off. We're not going to dilly-dally. We're going to get it on the lid and we're going to go about our day. This is a very soft brush. Some brushes, the bristles are a little prickly. This guy is super soft. And it's actually picking up product very well, and it's putting it down well. So if you pick it up and put it down well, you got my vote. What we're going to go into is going to be this one right here, and this guy is called Zaya. That's the name of Manny's little dog. So that's cute because my son's name is Isaiah, and you can call him Zaya, so he's like compared to a dog. It's funny, don't tell him I said that. Maybe I won't do eyeliner today. What do we think? No eyeliner? No eyeliner? No, I need eyeliner. We're going to try out this Tarte Sea Surfer Curl right here. This was in the Ipsy box, and this is in the color black. Algae Vitamin E Mineral Pigment. It claims to be volumizing mascara. I swear, there's just something wrong with this brush and everything. It's just all chueco de madre, mira. It's just, I don't know what to say about it. I don't know what to say about it, and I don't know what to say about this. I don't know. You, as always, twist our little hands up. Well, they're not little hands. We're going to twist our little fingers up. If you put your hands up, then you can't do your mascara. Guy looks all like he's, you know, facing left instead of facing straight, and we know how that goes. Do we know how that goes? No, we don't. We don't know how that goes. Why don't you suck in there? Where's the suction? That didn't sound right. That didn't sound right either. All right, let's have some real talk here, okay? This mascara is weird. It puts way too much product on there. The brush just looks like it's about to die, you know? It's crooked. It's just... It's weird, but yet it places the product on, you know, pretty nicely. If it can do that while it's all jacked up, it makes you wonder, what could it do if it was actually standing at attention and working properly? That's all I'm going to say. I'm going to pop in this YSL right here and just see how it looks on the lips. Okay, it stinks. I'll tell you that right now. Why does this lip gloss have such a perfume-like smell? These are my thoughts on this YSL lip product, okay? It has an intense odor. Intense odor. Like, why? It's on your lips. Why do you want to? It's right there. It's right there in that region right there. You can't get away from it. Maybe again it was a bad product. Who knows? This right here could be a bad product too. Do I just keep getting bad products? I have no idea. But it stinks. The Tatouage Couture right here, Velvet Cream. It is velvety and it is creamy. It's a little too creamy for my liking, because when it's so heavy and you can feel it just on there, like a little weight on there. My lips are like doing exercises right now just to hold this lipstick up. I don't like it that creamy because it feels like it's never going to dry down. It says absolutely nothing. You have a nice little package here that says nothing. Why put it in the package if you're not going to say anything? It's free. Just take it. Don't complain. But I'm going to complain. So listen up. It's too heavy, too creamy, and it stinks. That's it. That's all I can say. Transfers, I can tell you that right now. Look. Hello. Hi, teeth. Hi, food. Hi, everything. I'm going to be saying hi to a lot of stuff in a little bit. For YSL is a really expensive brand. It's really up there. I don't know if I'd go out and purchase this Velvet Tatouage Couture. When you have something that's too glossy and you don't want it so glossy, get a little bit of translucent powder just real lightly and just kind of like blot it down just slightly. We're going to finish the application finally. Set her down. I need a fan. I need a fan. I need Patrick Ta. Where are you? I need your fan. It feels nice, you know what I mean? It feels nice and it feels like it's doing something. Gosh, this lipstick is just no bueno. No likey. No likey. That's much better. Much better. I just put a tiny little bit of my Nakia Joy powder on there. I'm going to just go about the rest of the day and then we'll do a little check-in before I take it all off and see what Miss Charlotte did as far as holding it together. We're going to talk to you all in a little bit. I'm going to get another video going for you guys. Ready? Okay. I'll see you in a few. Bye. All right, you guys. So here we are at 5 hours of wear. It's about like 3 in the morning. And I'm going to tell you, you guys, this Charlotte Tilbury is no joke. I do believe it helped everything stay on pretty nice. Everything looks pretty well in place, to be honest with you. I still have my nice glow from my highlight. I still have the lipstick is pretty good still. And I think it helped that I put that Nakia Joy powder on because it was super duper glossy. It is coming off like right in here. I have eaten twice with it already. So, you know, it wasn't like I ate a lot. Just I ate like 2 bags of popcorn. This Pure foundation, I am pretty blown away by this foundation. It just lasts and lasts. And it just, the skin looks nice still. I mean, it doesn't settle into any lines. Don't set this foundation, I'm gonna tell you, because it does not need it. It just kind of sucks the life right out of you when you set it. If you look at my under eyes, you see how they're kind of like a little bit crispy under there. They don't look totally bad, but they're dehydrated. You know, this is very dehydrated looking and it kind of emphasized the lines. It did not look like that before I applied the powder. If you do want to set your under eyes, I don't think you need to, but get a very slight dab on a brush and just kind of like slightly pat it. I made the mistake of getting a sponge and applying it. No bueno, don't do that. Learn from my mistakes. Anyway, but look you guys, everything stayed nice. Even the shadow stayed nice. And even if you can see right in here, I mean, look at that. Typically you have like a lot of crust going on in this little nose fold area with all of your foundations. And I am not seeing that. I do feel like that Charlotte Tilbury really helped keep everything in place. It feels like a luxurious type of spray. So I am happy with it. I think everything looks great. Go ahead and take a look for yourself. I'll stop talking. It's just kind of hard for me to do sometimes, but I'm gonna stop talking. I don't really promote too much setting sprays because, you know, typically they don't work so well. But this one seems like it does a good job. Just look at it yourself. I mean, 5 hours of wear. Again, I'm not running and jumping outside right now, but still, by now, usually your makeup starts to break down a little bit. You start to see, you know, splotchy areas where it's coming off. And I don't see any splotchiness. I actually see almost like if I just applied it. So I hope this was helpful and I hope you enjoyed the video and you see what I'm seeing and I kind of like what I'm seeing. I think this lady right here looks okay. All right, I'll see you guys later. I love all y'all. Bye. We've got in this I've been talking for literally 30 seconds. Literally like 35 seconds, and I can't even say what we got. This says it primes and sets for up to 16 hours. Instantly lock in your look for mature. Doesn't say for mature. I'm just sticking words in. A little bit of depth right under these tired looking eyes. Wake up, please wake up. Just, it doesn't make any claims or anything. I don't know if it's long wearing. I don't know what it is, but it's very heavy. Everyone is attacking me. Everyone's attacking me. Get it together. We're okay. We're all right. We're calm. We're calm. We're going to try out this Tarte by the Sea. It's not by the sea. It's not by the sea. It's just in the box. We're going to try this Tarte C right here. And is that right? Tarte C? It is Tarte C. Chihuahua. It just doesn't sound right, man. It's a very softly manufactured. It's a very soft son of a... Really? I'm all kind of like, you know, between a rock and a hard place and a broken wand. I don't know what to say about it. But look, it seems like it, you know, applies the product all right. I don't know, you guys. What do you do with that? Do you say it's good? Or do you say, give me another shot of tequila? I don't know. Here, put the box. Where's my life going? Where's my life going? I mean, do I not have a direction in life? I can't find anything. I can't talk, I can't find anything, and I can't film right. Where am I going with this? It's on the eyes, and it looks pretty on the eyes. So, you know, I mean, what am I going to say? It's weird, but it works. Okay? It's weird, but it works. Just like me. I'm weird, but I work. Okay. Lisa J. And she's actually, you know, stationed here. Well, not stationed because she's not in the service. Jeez. But it's super duper creamy. I already said that. So let's think of some other words to use because we're not in middle school. We have graduated. Gorgeous and soft. It feels like it feels like sheep skin. I don't know, that's not what it feels like. Who the hell wants a sheepskin on their eye? What the hell is wrong with me?
Stop. Go get yourself some popcorn, guys.
Get some popcorn. Because I'm gonna have some. I tell you, I don't know if this is a food channel or a beauty channel.
Who ate half of the popcorn? Yeah. There's like none in here. You better go make another bag.
Give me a half bag over here.
And you can store.
You don't get away with that in my channel. You better come full speed. Hold 6 to 8 inches away and missed. I was doing so well. I was doing so well until I hit that second paragraph. It says moisture lock in your... I'm gonna say it again. Why do I do this to myself? I don't understand. I need a drink. I need a stronger drink than Diet Coke. I swear to God I do. Again, things don't levitate off the ground. I really wish they did. Just kind of like with, you know, some little, go like this, you know, with like the little magic hands and just have it going, ooh, that'd be awesome. I wish I could do that. I probably have a lot of people watching that shit, right? I'm just cleaning a brush. How are you doing? You think I'd be prepared, but I'm not. Stop judging me through the phone or the laptop. Just stop it. I've got this one stinking white hair that wants to like shine bright like a diamond, but it's not a diamond. So stop shining. Stop it. You're not a diamond. Shut the hell up in there. We wanted it. I know you did.